Hi everyone, I'm going to be teaching you how to film yourself. No fancy equipment needed, all you need is your phone, but feel free to use any other camera that you may have. Step 1 is setup. Find a quiet location to film. Try not to have anything distracting in the background like people talking, dogs barking, and music. Then you need a light source. So natural sunlight is best, but any lamp is just as good. Make sure to face the light. If it's behind you, it's a lot harder to see your face. Next, prop up your phone horizontally. You can use a stack of books or anything else that your phone can lean on. It just needs to be upright, and you also don't want it to be vertical. Step 2 is record. First thing, check to see if your microphone is working. Here's me doing a test.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Great. Then position yourself so you can see your head and your shoulders. Notice how I also have a little bit of space above my head so that my face isn't getting chopped off. Also try to keep your camera as close to eye level as you can. This gives you the most flattering angle. You also don't want to be too close or too far from the camera. After, practice what you're going to say. Do this as many times as you need to. Once you're ready, hit record and start talking. Once you're done, it's time to review. Watch the video that you just made. Make sure you look presentable and that you're also easy to understand. How you sound is just as important as how you look. If you're not happy with it, you can do it again. Step 4 is submitting your video. Go onto the web browser on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, it's probably Safari. And go to WeTransfer.com. Tap Send a File, and then agree to the terms. Tap Add Your Files and go to wherever you saved your video. I'll just use this video that I have right here and tap Done. Then you can add a message. Just put a description of what it is and what it's for. Tap Next. Then it's going to ask you if you want to send the file with an email or get a link. I recommend using Get a Link, that way you don't have to create an account. Tap Transfer. Now it's going to transfer the file. This might take a while just depending on your connection and the file size of your video, but once it's done, you're going to tap Copy Link, and now your file is ready to go. To send this link, go to your email, create a new message. You're going to send this to interactiveteam@scng.com. The subject can be whatever you want. I'm just going to title it Video. And then in the email, paste your link and send. Now you're all set. If you need help or have any questions, feel free to email interactiveteam@scng.com and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.